you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. I am a mess today. My hair's a mess. I'm a mess. Do you want to see why I'm a mess? Yes, you gorgeous people of the interwebs, you will have seen, have you not, my London shopping vlog with the hubby. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down below, but it is fresh. It is very, very recent. And you may have seen in that shopping vlog that I tried on a few bags, but we didn't buy any bags. We were going to go back to the shops after lunch with our friends, but we were having too much fun with our friends, so we never made it back to the shops. But something did get ordered. Oh yes, it got ordered, and it's arrived. And it is in this beautiful Prada box. What do you think is in this box? Pop it down in the comments section down below and then press play again and see if you were right. Oh my god. So we ordered this from Selfridges for availability purposes, and it came in a big Selfridges box, and it came with, it didn't come with a Prada dust bag, but it came with a massive Selfridges dust bag, which I'll show you in a moment. But wait, hold the phone. If you are new to my channel, then I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, come and join us. Hit subscribe and ring my bell and you can become one of our little gang of Fandabbies. And don't miss out on any of my videos, which are normally every Monday and Thursday. I'm all over the shop. Don't forget to give the videos and enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Ooh. Nearly lost the box there. Alright, I did say to myself that this was going to be a quick unboxing, just because I'm all over the shop. There we go, there we go. The box, there is the box. Just look at the size of this dust bag. Yep, it just keeps on going. It's very cool. It's going to come in handy when we do travelling again. That'll come in very handy for laundry purposes. So yeah, you can see from the box that the bag isn't that big yeah, for the dust bag, but yeah, thank you. Oh my god, are you ready? I'm not ready. I am so not ready. Yes! Oh my god! Oh! It's not very bright. I will do cutaway shots in the sunshine so you can see how this crystal really comes into its own. It's just not doing any justice indoors at the moment. This is the Prada Re-Edition 2000 in crystal. We have the little Prada plaque there. We have got crystals all over the thing. Oh, sweet mama. And then we've got this little Prada Re-Edition 2000 there with the little key ring on the cloche. And I have the Selfridges label on it. It is well and truly stuffed as it came, and in here I did spot the information, like the authenticity card and stuff. Prada gives you something that looks like a small credit card for the authentication. I am going to do a what fits once I have calmed down a little bit. I was tossing up. I was tossing up between 4 bags that we saw. Hubby really wanted me to go for the Louis Vuitton mint greeny blue and yellow pochette coussin. He said that that was fabulous. It did have silver hardware. I was just scared that it wouldn't have the longevity in my wardrobe. Now you could very reasonably argue, Gwenny, but what kind of longevity is this going to have in your wardrobe? What can you wear this with? Now, part of me thinks that this bag goes with nothing, and therefore it goes with everything. Do you see what I'm saying? I want to place the order. I felt a little bit queasy. It is a lot of money for a bag. It is a lot of money for a bag that I can't wear on the shoulder. I can just get it over, but it's not comfy. I can't wear this as a shoulder bag. This is a top handle or crook of the arm job on me. I don't know what to say. This bag has never been particularly on my radar. I mean, I've seen it, we've all seen it. We've seen unboxings, we've seen it on Instagram, and I thought, it's cute. It's a crystal embellished satin bag, and it's cute, it's adorable, it's very pretty, and yes, she sparkles. Not off, she sparkles. But it's not for me, it's not for me. And then I saw her in person. We were acquainted in real life. Hello. Winnie, I can feel your stare through the screen right now. On my shopping vlog, Winnie left a comment saying, girl, we need, that'll be the we, the royal we, I shall say, we need that crystal Prada. And, oh, I feel weird. I do feel weird, because this wasn't on my radar, wasn't on my wish list. I saw it, I was completely blown away by it, and there were several comments saying, oh my god, the sparkles, and oh my god, the sparkles. Holy guacamole. I don't know what to say. I'm giddy, I'm excited, I'm terrified, I'm questioning myself. Have I done the right thing? I've been looking for things very specific, and this is not any of them. Practical. Can be a little bit dull. I don't know what to think. I really don't know what to think. I haven't taken the labels off. It arrived yesterday. I opened it this morning, and just to give it a quick check over before doing this unboxing, I thought if I hated it, I'll just pack it up and send it back. I don't hate it. I adore it. I love it. Do I feel like I've made the right choice? Sensible Gwenny is probably saying, no, you should be going for the 2005 re-edition that you can wear crossbody and use every single day. Go to Costco, go to the shops, go to the post office with it. I can't go to Costco with this. I mean, I could, it would be a mega flex. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to make of it. I'm going to go and have a little bit of a play, maybe try her out with a couple of little outfits, and see how I go. But you cannot deny the crystal goodness, beautifulness. I mean, it is, as a bag, it feels perfectly weighted, perfectly constructed. I am all over the shop, and I am going to leave it there. What a weird unboxing. I have so many emotions and so many feelings going round and round. I'm swirling. I'm a veritable hurricane of wow, what the wow, gosh, sparkly crystals. Ooh, shiny. I honestly don't know what to make of any of it, so I'm going to have a little play. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think, given everything you saw on the shopping vlog, and there was loads of stuff that we wanted to look at that we couldn't look at, do you think I made the right choice? There. I can't stop looking at it. One last go, one last go. Look. Just look. The crystals are everywhere. Oh my god. I will link this bag down below so you can have a look at it online. What I can tell you absolutely is in person compared to online is a whole world of difference. It's a whole world of difference. This thing is just exquisite in real life. I do hope you have enjoyed this all over the shop unboxing. Ooh, I'm going to go and have a lie down in a dark, cool room now. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it the thumbs up love, tell your friends, and don't forget to leave me comments in the comment section down below. You know I love to have a little chat with you. Until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, don't forget to sparkle, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!